Welcome everyone to the Anything Vlog, where I vlog about everything and anything. I'm Evo 8 Rich, and today I'm headed over to my son's house. I'm going to do a viewer request video. I've had a couple guys request I do a video on my son's car with it driving by, and so what it sounds like. They want to know what it sounds like when it's going by, and what the drone sounds like inside. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to head on over there, and he's going to do a couple drive-bys. Not that type of drive-by. He's going to go driving by, and I'm going to record the sound so you guys can hear what it sounds like from the outside as it's going by. And then I'm going to jump in the car, and we're going to try to record the drone so you guys can hear what it sounds like when you're going down the road and it starts droning. Just usually it starts droning when you're too slow between 5th and 6th. You know, you're going too fast for 5th, too slow for 6th, and then that's when it drones the most. That 6th gear is a waste anyway. But anyway, so I'm going to head on over there and film that. All right? So, see you when I get there. All right, guys. Made it to my son's house. Lucky. Yeah, this lady just pulled out in front of me and I slammed on my brakes. I came to a complete stop. I almost slammed right into her. She didn't even notice me. It's crazy. Good thing I'm driving an Evo with Brembos, right? It's a good quick stop. Wow, that's crazy. All right. All right, I'm here now, so we're going to go ahead and pull the car out, get this filming going. I don't know about you, but that sounds sweet. Alright guys, hopefully that worked. Hopefully you got enough footage there. So now what I'm going to do is jump in the car and let's see if we can record the drone. Alright guys, that's going to do it. Hopefully you could hear the car good enough when it went by, and it translates to the video. It doesn't always go to video as well as when it's live. And try to get the drone the best I could. It basically will drone between 5th and 6th, like I said, but if you're in 6th gear, about 2200 or 3000, anywhere in that range, it drones pretty bad. So I tried to get that, hopefully that translated and you can actually hear it. Sorry it took so long to get the video done, but it's hard for him and I to get together sometimes. So hopefully it worked out, and you guys like the video. So that's going to do it. So if you like the video, please hit the like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you share my video, I greatly appreciate it. And one other thing real quick, if you guys I would appreciate if you, once in a while, you just let the commercials run. If you let the commercial run at the beginning, just let it run all the way through. Either watch it or just let it run. It will help me out. It gives me the finances I need to be able to get these videos done. So if you don't feel the need to, you don't feel like you can donate to the channel financially, I understand that. Money's tight. But if you just would let the commercials run once in a while, that helps me out as well, and it's free. It's just a little bit of time. Alright guys, so that's going to do it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for sticking with me. All you my subscribers, I love you guys. Thanks for all the support. I appreciate it. No, that's going to do it. I'll see you guys next time. Well, I'll be somewhere else doing something else. Bye.